What's going on, everybody? My name is Zay, and today I'm going to talk about all the gear I use. Let's start off with cameras. I have for cameras right here, A7iii. I started off with this camera. Actually, no, I started off with Canon TI6, TI-S6 or something like that. I started off with that, and I got this camera. This camera I had for like 2 or 3 years, and I was using it, doing whatever. Actually, I started off with my phone, and then I went to the TI, and then I got this. And I still use this from time to time. I got an Fx3 filming right there. You on the Fx3. And I got my phone. So these are my cameras I use so far right now that I own. As you see the date. I don't know when this is gonna be posted, but you see the date. All right, lenses. I have a 50 millimeter. I have an 85. This is one of my favorite. This is actually my favorite lens to use. And then I have a 24-70 right there. 24-70 right there. Obviously with Fx3 I have this. All right, for attachments for the camera and lenses, we have Polar Pro Mist version ND filter. I have a Dream filter. You see the diffusion. You see how soft I look now? It's like ultimate diffusion. I have a diffusion filter on right now too, and that is a Prism FX filter. I have diopters. What these do, they like, if you don't have a macro lens, these kind of give you a macro effect. You see that? Width, out, and width, out, width. And this is just a +1. So I'll go to, the highest I have is a +10. Yeah, +10. I might not be in focus after this, but you know what I'm saying? I can get up here, and now I'm in there. Oh, I'm in there. For mics, I have a shotgun mic, the Sony shotgun mic, and I have this spacer. The spacer allows me to put the shotgun mic into the top handle, because without the top handle, it'll be like falling out, kind of. I have this mic, shotgun mic, Rode video shotgun mic. I also have these mics. That's what I'm using to record right now. Testing. How it sound. So I got that mic, and then it has another one. It comes with 2. And it's like a case like that, and you just plug it in, drop it in. I labeled it because I got mic 1 and mic 2. I actually like these mics. This is my first time using it for YouTube videos, but I used it on like projects and stuff before, and it worked pretty well. So I'm like, I'm gonna just use it for YouTube too, instead of having my shotgun mic where I gotta hold it. And then if I duck a little bit, you can't even tell I got the mic on, you know what I'm saying? So I have a car mount right here. This car mount, I've used a few times. I want to use it more this year. Oops, let's go with this. We have a gimbal. I had bought this like years ago, and then I barely used it. And now I'm kind of using it a little bit more, but I still prefer handheld, so I don't know. I'm not saying it's useless, but I don't use it as much as I thought I would be using it when I got it. We have magic arms. Right now, this magic arm is attached to a pole, because I had to use it for a background shot, a BTS shot that you may have or may have not seen yet. Meaning, it was the shot, if you've seen it, it was the shot where it was back there, and it was showing this setup right here. So if you've seen it, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't seen it, go watch that video. That video was explaining lighting in 90 seconds. Go watch that video if you want to see that shot. To get that shot, I had my phone attached to here, and then it was just like, it was literally like a counterbalance. So I had it like leaning this way, the phone weight was like holding it. I have a slate, and action. You know what I mean? I've used that for short films. So if you ever need a slate, I got that. I have a drone. My drone broke, so I just gotta replace the wing. This wing broke right here when I was flying it. I was flying it for a video, a client, and when I went to take it off, something happened with this side of the drone. It hit something, or I don't know, I didn't see, because I was manning camera and trying to fly the drone, so that was a whole situation. And it was cold, Like, it was cold. I was dressed like I was going snowboarding on that shoot. And I get cold very easy. So it was not good time. So I don't know how it broke. But yeah, it broke like last month in December. Or that's not last month now, but like 2 months ago in December. I just haven't replaced it. I have a battery pack. And it's used for my phone, used to power this light over here on the left. I have this light. I'm getting another one. Hold on. I got this light. I got a gel diffusion. Like, give it like 1 to 2 stops on that. I have a few more things, so stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? Got my monitor here. It's not as bright as I want it to be, so I might be getting a new monitor soon. Portable smoke machine. Look at that. That's how you get all those flares and those colors and stuff in the background. That's how you get all that, with the smoke. With the smoke. You see how crazy that looks? Like, the smoke, the smoke, smoke. I'm sorry. And I got a projector. As you can see, it's back there, but I have another one right here. Just to give you an idea what it would look like. This one is not as bright as that one back there, so this one I don't use anymore. But in my other videos that you saw, I was using this projector right here. This is where I do all my work, my editing, Lightroom, Photoshop, DaVinci, Final Cut. This was a camera bag that was gifted to me. It was too small to hold my cameras, but it's perfect size. Sorry about that, my dog was barking. All right, so this was my first bag, camera bag. Not first camera bag, but this is one of my camera bags that was gifted to me. And this has my first edition of the ASICS logo. But now I use it for the projector carrying bag for that projector. It fits perfectly. I can put all my stuff in there for that projector, and it's safe. So whenever I need to travel with the projector, put it in here, it's good to go. This is my main camera bag right here. As you'll see, it has the updated logo right here. Has my name, it says Through My Eyes, Zay's Aesthetic. I had it custom embroidered and put my logo on there. Oh, wait, I forgot. I got light stands and I got a tripod. I think that is all my gear. Yeah, that's all I have in here. So that's my 2025 content creator gear. Thank y'all for watching. If there's anything you want to know, leave a like, drop a comment. Anything I can answer comments, I try to respond to every comment I get. That's the gear I have, the gear I use. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. I appreciate it very much. And deuces.